Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name's Kasie Oswald or Teacher Kasie, and this is my classroom. So today I wanted to do an unboxing for you, and I just couldn't wait any longer because somebody said that there are dragons involved. So I love getting this Good Fortune box in, and it's like a little surprise for me every month. I have no idea what's in here. Like I said, somebody mentioned dragons was a theme, so let's check it out. All right. The seal was really hard to get open, so I kind of just broke the seal, and let's take a look. Okay, one thing I do like about these boxes is it always comes with a postcard to tell you what's in it and who the featured teacher is. And take a look at the boxing. Doesn't it look great? Okay, so I don't know. Do you guys usually look at the card first? I don't like to look at the card first because I want it to be a surprise. So I'm going to go in here and I'm going to open it up. I always try not to rip the sticker, but this time I ripped it. Okay. Oh, super cool. So there's this cool little bag. So for those of you that don't know, I am an online English teacher with VIPKid, and I teach students in China. So a lot of these boxes have some kind of culture with them. So, ooh, it's got like little incense. Okay, so I guess I should read to tell you about it. Oh, that smells good. It's not like flowery or anything. Silk pouch and incense. Past generations would wear fragrant pouches during this time of year because they are believed to ward off evil, drive away disease, and bring good luck. Hey, we all need this at this time. So thank you, Good Fortune. That was great. Ooh, a shirt. It has some really cute shirts. I switched the size of my shirt, but I switched it too late for this month. I think they must be like men's sizes because, you know, it's for all. So the shirt was a little bit big on, oh, I think they did get it in time. So this says, help one another, for we are all in the same boat. So pretty neat. Is this the time of the year for the Dragon Boat Festival? I'm going to have to look that up. Okay, so super cute. And it's a dark green. And yeah, that's it right there. Love it. Let's see what it says. Custom t-shirt. On the 5th day of the 5th lunar month, China will celebrate the Dragon Boat Festival. Good. Okay, what's next? Let's see. Ooh. And so far, all of the boxes have had a fortune cookie in it. I'd like to say they all will, but I'm not sure. And I'm saving them so that I can use them as like little rewards for students sometimes. So this was last month's with the flowers. That was the theme. And I have a little blue one this month. And I don't know if the fortunes are all the same, but since this is kind of a spoiler anyway, individually, we are one drop. Together, we are an ocean. Aw, I like that. Okay, let's see. Ooh. So first is this. I'm guessing this is a bracelet. Let's see. 5-strand bracelet. In some regions, children wear 5-strand bracelets to symbolize harnessing the flood dragon to protect Kyuhyun. They are worn until the first rain after the festival, then thrown into the river. Well, I don't think I can throw this into the river. I think I'm going to have to keep this. So that's super fun. And then we have this. I think this is a steamer. Oh, I'm not going to be able to say this right. Songzi? I don't think they pronounce the Z like that. Steamer. These dumplings are a traditional dish of sticky rice with a sweet or savory filling wrapped in bamboo leaves and secured with twine. They are assembled the night before, enjoyed in the morning, and leftovers are thrown in the river to commemorate Kyuhyun. Oh, so they made little dumplings. That is so super cute. What a fun idea. Oh, I love it. Great. Okay. And then, oh, I know what these are. Let's see what they say. Organic crunchy rice rollers. We couldn't put actual rice in your dumplings, so we added this tasty rice treat for you to enjoy. So But here are those crunchy rice rollers. And there is a soothing sheet mask dragon, animal dragon face. Oh, so cool. So I think it's going to kind of look like that because there's a picture on the back. And let's see what this one says. It is the dragon face mask. Ward off dry skin in this super soothing mask that moisturizes and revitalizes your face with a blend of coconut water, electrolytes, and potassium. Great. Gosh, do you guys want to see it? You think it should? Okay, here, I'll show it to you. So the featured teacher this month is Kasie Austin, Bits of Joy Crafts. Kasie creates one-of-a-kind pieces made from polymer clay. Her most popular sellers are Christmas ornaments, earrings, and charms. Since becoming a VIPKid teacher, Kasie also has added reward systems and prop sets. So you can use the code FortuneBox for 10% off at her shop. It is called shopbitsofjoy.com, and you can use that 10% off until July 1st. Great. So let's see. In June. Ooh, okay, I'm going to show you the mask. Oh, it's kind of slimy. Should I even put this on and then try to make a video? I don't know that that's a good idea, but it's for you guys. This is kind of funny. I don't even know where to begin. Ooh, there's like bubbles and goo and everything. So it looks like this. Should I put it on? How long do you have to leave it on for? It says external use only. Well, that's good. Apply the mask onto cleansed face. Leave for 10 to 20 minutes. Then remove the mask. Gently massage for remaining essence to penetrate the skin. No need to rinse. Please use the sheet mask and essence immediately once the package is opened. So looks like I'm going to have to end this, clean my face, and use it right away. Now, I was told once that there's always like a little clue for the next month. Gosh, I wonder what was the clue for last month. I don't even remember. But in this box, I got, oh, well, this is Kasie Austin's little card. That's cute. So I have no idea what would be a clue for next month. So yeah, I don't know. But this was another super fun box from the Good Fortune group. Rachel and Sam, they made these boxes and came up with everything. This is the May 2020 box, and I always say it's for the next month. So this is May's box, and we use everything in June. So great, everybody. I hope you liked what was in the box, and message me if you have any questions about it. If I don't know the answer, I will ask Rachel and Sam, and then I will let you know. Put questions and comments below. I will add the link to the Good Fortune box and my referral code. I guess that's what you call it, because you get $5 off. And that's it. All right, everybody. Happy teaching. Thanks for watching. Please give this a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye. I'm not going to lie. This feels good, and I'm kind of like playing with it and using it. As you can see, I did not take off my eye makeup. But it kind of feels funny to smile and things, but yeah, it feels nice. You know what's really odd is looking in the camera, because I have to go opposite. So I see I need to like pull it one side, and I pull it, but it's actually on the opposite side. So, yeah. Pretty neat, guys. Thumbs up. Super fun.